Hikebytes traveled to Oregon to explore remote destinations few have ever seen. It's a wonderland.
Getting ready for the hike.
Join us as we explore a random river in the middle of nowhere. It's gorgeous here. We took a stroll by a random river on our first day here just after a fresh snow, and the views? See for yourself.
Wow.
Actually snowed the whole time we walked to the river and to the lake. It was simply amazing. Heidi and I have very little experience in the snow or the apparel being California people, but I'll tell you what, I fell in love with the snow on this trip. It was so heavy, every tree was loaded with it, and it gave everything kind of a Christmas magical feel.
Look at how gorgeous this path is. It's just a regular river, no real special trail, out in the middle of nowhere by 3 rivers. Wow.
This became the wow wonderland to us. Every turn made you feel that way. The place we're headed to next is a spring that feeds a river all year round. It's so beautiful, but you're going to have to see it for yourself. We thought we would never experience something like this. The beauty while you're there with the snow falling on you. And by the way, it was 29 degrees. And it made us feel so fresh, so excited. We did have the right apparel. We had thermals, we had gloves, we had beanies, we had everything we needed to make ourselves comfortable. We were never cold.
Careful.
Later in this video, we experienced something we never heard before. You're gonna wanna stick around. When we got back to our car, the snow doubled up on itself and it got super thick and heavy. You'll have to see it. It was beautiful.
Wow, it's going.
They're coming down here for it. Oh my gosh, look at that.
We're making our way down to the source of the spring where it comes right out of the ground, and it actually has many fingers feeding this river. It's a special place, and in the summer, we paddleboard here. Wait till you see it.
This fed by a spring. Is that the beginning of the spring?
The snow this day was super light and airy and had no real footprints on it. We were the first.
This is a spring that's coming right out of the ground, feeding this river. It'd be wild to paddleboard this. Pretty warm.
Our next destination is Three Lakes. One of them was frozen, and we skipped rocks on it. The sound it made was so
The
unique.
lake is frozen.
So
huh?
pretty. Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Twin Lakes.
Sometimes all you can say is wow, and all of us couldn't stop. I am so glad we brought a drone to capture these next views. Take a look. This lake looked fake. It was perfectly round and frozen. Check it out.
Hard. No, you just walk out there.
How hard is it?
It was pretty hard to me.
I hate to be the guy that finds out.
No, not that hard.
No.
No, actually, I can't break it.
Well, sometimes that can cause the ice to start. It's not gonna be deep.
Yeah, it's 2 inches deep right there.
You hear it?
Whoa, it like
Did you see
moved.
it? Right
Yeah,
back
that's
up?
crazy.
That's kinda tricky. Careful.
Whoa.
Olivia,
Oh,
go.
it's actually moving. How cool is
That's
that?
cool. Oh, try to find a rock.
Oh,
It's an inch deep, you guys.
oh, here.
Ooh, look at it, breaks in there a whole bunch. That's so fun.
I hit it too hard.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like a blob.
It's moving.
Are you filming it, Sean?
Yeah,
The bubble?
yeah.
We decided to stay till sunset, and it rewarded us with these views. This trip went way too fast, and I can't wait to get back to Oregon. Thanks so much for watching, and until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at Hikebytes, one bite at a time.